Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How's the Josh? Right. This is not the one. How's the Josh? Right. Yes. Okay, people are moving out the back. Okay, it's okay. सबसे पहले तो नारी होना ही एक उत्सव है, ना ज़रूरत है किसी ताज की और ना किसी तारीफ़ की, वो तो अपने आप में ही एक रौनक है. Good afternoon, girls. I am the Seema Bansal, and I am a co-founder, a director, an entrepreneur, and a leader, a visionary, and a daughter of resilience. You know, my story didn't bring with the inspiration. My story actually started from a loss of life. I would like to narrate this story to you. A very little girl, a 1.5-year-old girl. She recently lost her father. And my mother left only alone with no money, no support, only the 4 children to raise in this huge world. And she was the first leader, so it was the first inspiration for me. My mother actually, whatever you are seeing here in front of you, my mother is my Vishwakarma. She has raised her children like anything. She made sure that she raised her children with the dignity, high dignity, and as well as the great powerhouse within us. You know, I have seen it was not easy for her, but she had the sheer will, you know, so she didn't stop. We grew. I was only 12 years old. So I've recognized my mother's trouble. I've seen her, how is she fighting, how she's struggling every day. So what I did, I was 12 years old, I've started taking the classes of the younger children. You know, I belongs to Gwalior, which is a very small city, but very beautiful city in Madhya Pradesh. I started teaching small children, and my first salary was 70 rupees. And you know what my mother did? She took that 70 rupees, and we had a small temple in our home. She kept those 70 rupees and said, Bholenath, ab tum hi sambhalna. You know, and literally, that day a leader has begun, because the one day when my mother made a decision to raise 4 children with no help, she became the entrepreneur unknowingly. And the day which I have decided to take the tuitions, that day I have become the leader unknowingly. उस समय पे मुझे leadership का मतलब भी नहीं मालूम था. You know? And after a couple of years, when I grew, at the age of 16, we went to our Masi's house in Mumbai for holiday for a month. And that day I was saying, the 2 sisters were talking, and my Masi was saying, okay, Gigi, अब आप इसको ले जाके ग्वालियर क्या करोगे वापस? मैं इसकी शादी कर दूंगी, आपके पास कोई support नहीं है. She will get married, she will learn something. And that day my mother made one more very brilliant decision. No, I'll take my daughter back. And she has decided to come back within 7 days. You know, hadn't my mother took that decision that time, I would not have standing here in front of you with high pride, highly motivated and highly successful woman. You know, so we came back. I studied. I finished my schooling. I finished my graduation. Meanwhile, you know, I got a chance to read a book called "Who Moved My Cheese." It's written by Dr. Spencer Johnson. Trust me, girls, that book moved me forever. That book changed my destiny forever. And that is all about change. The change is constant. You know, the sooner you adopt it, the faster you're into the new world. You have to move on. Once the change, you immediately recognize and just pivot immediately. When I grew, when I finished my college, that day I made one more decision to move to Mumbai, and that was independent decision I myself made for me with my younger brother. And then my fight started. I've been working for and searching a job and working for a diamond merchant. I don't know whether how many people knows this in Mumbai. I used to go to Churchgate every day from Kandivali. It took 45 minutes. I took every day 9:16 ka train and then reaching there and coming back every day. That fight was on for years and years. Then ऐसा होगा नहीं, So I have to find new job. I find 1, 2, third job. Then I get a fourth job, which was an IT company. And that time, IT was booming. The IPO का वहाँ लहर चला हुआ था, and I got a chance to work very reputed company, and they were opening an office in UK, US, Australia, Germany, Singapore. Luckily, I was the one who chose, and they have been transferred me to UK. Friends, my life's first flight was for London, for UK. Trust me, before that flight, I was flying. And I still remember the date. It was 13th November 2001. It was a Diwali. I was going, but my mother was happy, that she did something. She achieved something. Because she was not only raised the children, she put her hard work into the inspiration into our soul. कि मैं इन बच्चों को अगर कोई और होता तो because she was like absolutely almost alone. I forgot to tell you one thing. How did she raised us? She actually learned music as a passion from her father. And believe me, that her passion became the source of our bread when she was raising us. She became the music teacher with no certificate, with no experience. And there ऐसा दुनिया का कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है जो वो बजा नहीं लेते थे. Thank you very much for acknowledging her. She's not here, but she's no more. But she acknowledging her effort, her struggle. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate this. So I moved to UK, and I started working there. I actually found my soulmate. I got married there, and my life was set. Green card. I got a permanent residency in UK. And then after some time again, my cheese moved to UK to US. My husband ke bole, Sima, abhi jana padega apne ko US. So again, I packed my bag, and again we shifted to US. There, he bought a company at Wall Street. I was working for Bank of America as a customer service manager, and I was very happy there also. There we got a green card there. So we are the permanent resident of UK and green card holder of US. Do we need anything? I don't think I thought my life is all set. Then after some time, one more big thunder came, and my husband's company lost one of the biggest contract, Citibank contract with Microsoft, when they were doing the bidding. So that day again, my husband had to make a tough decision, and I have to stand by him. Sima, India jana padega. So we moved to India. Rato raat, 15 days ka time diya. We packed our bag. We moved to India. We stay in Gurgaon. And that day, when we were living in US, there's this much big, thick catalog used to come to my home. It's a packaging company in US, uline.com, and they shipped 50 lakh boxes every day. That company, that catalog used to come, and हम सोचते थे US में कि कभी हम ऐसा कंपनी कभी जाएंगे तो इंडिया में बनाएंगे, और शायद वो इसीलिए सोचा था. We came back and we decided to open a packaging company. And that company, the organization started from my basement. I was the first employee. I am the first employee of that company, and I used to handle all the operations, all functions by myself: finance, sales, customer service, driving, delivering, everything. By God's grace, today this company stands with 152 people team, with the presence of Gurgaon, Bangalore, Mumbai, Kolkata, Surat, Mumbai, and UAE. So it's not the only question of the success. I'm not here to just to tell you my success. I would like to tell you this. A 1.5-year-old girl from the very grounded level आज आपके सामने खड़ी है, right? We run an organization where 40% are women in our organization. You know, how did it happen? It didn't happen overnight. It took us 20 years. You know, I actually would like to say this. Leadership, 3 L's of leadership, which I used to follow. You know, first is lead with passion. कुछ भी हो जाए, you cannot leave your passion. कोई एक ऐसी चीज जिसमें आप जी जान लगा दो. That is your passion, and you would be success if you lead with passion. And then live with the ownership. Ownership means commitment. If you commit, please do it. Okay? Without commitment, कोई काम नहीं हो सकता. No work will be success if you commit and just forget. No. And third L is love. Please love what you do. Or for whom you are doing, you need to love it. Because if you do not love, friends, trust me, love brings everything. It has to be loved. You have to be loved, and your work has to be loved. You should be loving who you are working for. Okay? So no matter what happened, either you love, rather you don't do it. Okay? This is the 3 L changes my all over destiny, and I would say this 3 L's is not only कोई और आपके लिए नहीं करेगा, it would be you. You have to come up. You have to stand for yourself. You have to just come up. You know, अभी थोड़े दिन पहले हमने International Women's Day celebrate किया. Okay, what was that? Wasn't that the winning? Right? That was a winning over so many vices. अरे मैं ये करूँगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? अरे मैं वो करूँगी तो किसी को खराब ना लग जाए. No. We all stood by ourselves. That's why we all are. Look, the 95% of the hall is fulfilled by a girl power. You know? So that's it. It's not only my winning. It is not only me. It is the, you know, your winning. You guys are stand by yourself, so you are here, so I am here. Okay? When we say कि नहीं अभी ये इसको कैसा लगेगा? You know what? I will tell you this. पूजा मंदिर कौन जाता है? सब मंदिर जाते हैं, सब पूजा करते हैं, right? We call देवों के देव महादेव हैं. हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं? उमा शंकर. मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम को हम सीता राम के नाम से जानते हैं. पूरी दुनिया को जो चलाते हैं विष्णु जी, वो भी लक्ष्मी नारायण के नाम से जाने जाते हैं, राइट? और जो पूरी दुनिया को अपनी उंगली पे नचाते हैं, अपनी बंसी पे मुग्ध कर देते हैं, कृष्णा, वी कॉल देम राधे श्याम. ऑल आर वुमेन वर वर्शिप्ड. दे आर वर्शिपिंग and all will be worshipped. You know, that's how I wanted to convey. It's not only me. I am really surprised why I have been chosen to be here. And the thing is that the last one, I'm sure they are showing me the time, but the thing is I would like to say this. One has in one life 5 queens. When you're born, you are a daughter, the first queen born. You are someone's sister, second queen. When you get married, you become a wife. There's a third queen's role you are playing. The fourth one, you are someone's daughter-in-law. There also you are queen. And the last one, most awaited, a mom. A mother has born. When you become a mother, your आपके पांचों रानियों के रोल पूरे होते हैं. And in this entire hall, whoever has these 5 roles alive and they are living their life within these 5 roles, they are already a winner. Winner on their vices, winner on their relationship, winner on their families, winner on their societies, winner on their nation. You know, I am so happy. I would like to thank TEDx, and I like to thank Akash. Yes, Akash and the entire crew have been so courteous for me to bring in here, and I am really humble, you know, and I would love to be anytime, you know, whenever TEDx call me, I would come here. Thank you, guys, girls, thank you. One more thing which I would like to finish this is, you decide. You decide what you want to do. Do you want to lead? और follow करने का तो सवाल पैदा नहीं होता. Right? The power of possibilities are not out there. It is within you. You have to acknowledge it. You have to bring it out. Don't keep it down. So, power of possibilities is within you. Please remember this. Okay? Come out, feel it. Okay? Lead it. Keep leading, keep shining, keep rocking. Thank you. Thank you.